In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unused images from your WordPress media library. This task is not only crucial for optimizing your website's performance, but also for freeing up valuable server space. Often when you upload an image to WordPress, the platform automatically creates multiple versions of that image in different sizes. Over time, this can lead to a bloated media library filled with images you no longer need, which can slow down your site. So let's explore a systematic approach to clear up these unwanted files. To start, we need to introduce a handy tool called the WP Vivid Backup plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and once there, go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Vivid Backup plugin. You should see it appear in the list. Once you do, click Install Now, and then follow by clicking Activate. This plugin will not only help manage backups, but has a great feature for cleaning up unused images. Now, with the plugin installed and activated, navigate to the WP Vivid Backup section within your WordPress dashboard. From there, select the Image Cleaner option. This tool is designed to scan your uploads directory to identify images that are currently not being used on your site. Initiate the scan by clicking on the Scan button and give it a few moments to analyze your media library. Once completed, you'll be presented with a list of media items that are deemed unused, alongside the total size they're occupying on your server. Review the results carefully. You have the option to isolate all unused images at once, or if you prefer, you can select specific images to isolate. Once you've made your selections, click Apply to isolate these images. This step ensures that they are ready for deletion, but still gives you control to prevent accidental removal of any necessary files. With the images now isolated, the next step is to confidently move forward with deletion. Choose Delete All Images if you're ready to wipe the slate clean, or pick specific isolated images if you want to proceed with caution. After making your choice, hit Apply. A prompt will appear to confirm the permanent deletion of these images. Confirm this action to finalize the removal process. In some instances, deleting unused images might inadvertently remove images you'd actually like to keep, requiring you to regenerate thumbnails. If this happens, don't worry, you can use a separate Regenerate Thumbnails plugin. This tool can recreate any mistakenly deleted image sizes, ensuring your website maintains its visual integrity. By following these steps, you've taken an essential step in optimizing your WordPress site, making it more efficient and faster. Removing the clutter of unused images not only enhances site speed, but also helps in better server management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy cleaning! Happy!